On my phone, I'm a little breezy, feeling excited. She told me, nigga, she heard it. I'm in the car and I'm swerving. I walk into her bedroom, I put it down, that's it. And I stay on it till I ride. And I stay taking shots. Man, you'll go get a shot. Because I'm everything you know. See, I ain't no bitch nigga, no bitch nigga, no snitch nigga. I'm a real nigga, that's real nigga.
I had to try all day and night. I had to boss up for a check. I had to show up these niggas.
Way too high to be treated like this. Way too young to be living like this.
I would trap a hard seller right. Swiping, yeah, change the life. Come in, girl, fucking change the life. Come in, girl, come the fuck a box. Had to put it like niggas out. Got a thousand piece in the rock. Had to shoot it up with the papers. Cause them little niggas owe me paper. On that nigga, no favor. I got like 80 rounds for the tape. I had to muscle up in these streets. I had to celebrate just to eat. I had to knock out a nigga teeth. I had to work hard, no sleep. Niggas tried to come and cash out. Till they see a nigga cash out. Niggas thought I wouldn't make it out. I didn't like this rap about. I had to boss up for a check. I had to step on these niggas' necks. I had to go and get a couple strikes. I had to chop all day and night. I remember those cold nights. I was like that you got out of the video. I'm not free, I got some shit.
You be on the block, and I'll get no back to back. Got your man circling the block, because I'm fucking right.
All day and night. I had to boss up for a check. I had to step on these niggas' necks.
My man was like, "Oh my goodness, who is that with them titties?" I said, "That's my son." Look, he was thirsty. He seen them joints from a mile away. Look, he was like, "Look,
It's the boobies.
it's the movies."
It's the boobies.
She rich like